2D text in Archicad. First of all, open Archicad and select 2D command, text tool, and create 2D text. After that, convert into 2D scripting. Now we can see on laptop how to do it. Friends, how to create customized 2D design and after that convert in 2D scripting. Let's see how to do it. Suppose I take a command of text tool and here I write video and here I give some size. You can see that, and also I scale it. Here first of all here take control K, resize, and also again now you can see that, and we can easily convert in 2D scripting. Let's see now. File, library and object, and here put new object. We can do it from two ways. First of all, directly file save as in GDL format, or also go to file and library and object and new object. Here you can see that, and here also no element. Now try using. Drag it, and you can see that 2D format. Now you can see that, and also you can see 2D view, and you can see that. Now scripting is here, and you can easily use in when we make a 3D model, 2D model, and put directly on that model. Now we got it how to do it.